For my three top tweets of the week, the first one I chose was an article from Utopia, and it's about trauma in students' lives. Um, and we really don't know as teachers what students go through at home. In this particular article, a teacher finds out that a student is being sexually assaulted at home. Um, so obviously that's very hard for that student, for that student to deal with, and also for the teacher to deal with knowing that that's going on when she leaves school. Um, so it's about trauma in students' lives and getting to know your students, and it's also about as an educator, confiding in someone else and talking about it with colleagues and counselors if you feel like if there's something you need to share, instead of just holding that in and keeping that bottled up inside, because that's not healthy for us either. So that was a really important article, I thought. The next one is from The Advocate, and it's about personalized learning. Personalized learning is starting to be the new way of teaching. The old way was where, teacher gets in front of the class, they lecture for an hour, and students take notes, and that's about it. The students don't really have much time to interact with each other. So personalized learning, the teacher does very little lecturing, and the students actually do quite a bit of participation and interactions with each other to kind of learn the lesson that the teacher is wanting to be taught. And then last, I have an article on how educators can form strong relationships in schools. I think that's so important. It kind of goes back to the first article I chose about, really getting to know your students and making connections with them. Because we as educators don't know what they have to go home to. They may not have food, they may not have their parents there. There could be, violence, abuse, things like that that are going on. So it's important that we get to know that about the students and build relationships with them. So we're not only, their teacher, but we're also can be, their friend and someone that they can talk to and feel loved and appreciated. Because a lot of kids don't get that at home. So I think that's really important.